I'm back. This is kind of it's kind of a glitch because of you know, when you pickpocket them. Oh shit. Lol. When am I gonna find a way out there? There we go. There. You pickpocket, they have blue pockets, but when you pickpocket them, the blue go away. Okay, we're going to get a picture. Oh, sorry. Oh, fuck. Sorry, I said fuck. See, Neela and Petju are standing in there. Oh, but I was going to take a picture of the head.
Clockwork appears completely inanimate. We still might have a chance. Why? I'm detecting voices from the front of the blimp. I think it's Arpeggio. Neela? Neela's here too.
Yeah. What am I going to do now? Let's see. Okay. Oh, that way. Stupid me.
There he is. The mastermind behind this flip and the source of all our problems. I can't believe it. She must have been working with Arpeggio all along. I don't need to study those photos to see the writing on the wall. Clearly, Neela and Arpeggio have conspired together to rebuild Clockwork, and it looks like they're dangerously close to realizing their goal.
Look, Bentley, I know it's not your style, but I need a quick plan of attack. Try to think of a way, any way, to stop Clockwork from getting reassembled.
Well, those magnetic inducers seem to be holding the parts together. If you reverse their polarity, it should pull Clockwork apart. Unfortunately, the inducer speed control station is locked down tight. Pickpocket keys from the 4 patrolling guards to get at it. Then you'll need to manually reverse the polarity of each inducer deck at the top of their rotation.
Consider it done.
Oh, how stupid can I be? Very stupid. Let's try again. Oh, come on.
Now get to the speed control station to slow down the spinning inducer.
Okay. The question is just, how do I do that? Or shot? No, yeah, let's check out that ring. I don't really want to say. What is something? Oh! No, I don't. LOL! Did you see that? Shut up, you stupid piece of shit. No. Yeah, suck. LOL. Is this Raven? Nope. Only this.
What's all this then? The magnets have been reversed. But, by Jove, it seems to have locked the clockwork parts into place. Excellent.
Sly Cooper! Of course this would be your doing.
Ah, Mr. Cooper. No doubt you believed a reversal would pull the old bird apart, eh? But it seems to have quite the opposite effect. I'm truly grateful. When fully powered up, I'll join myself to a circuit and be born anew.
All this because you can't fly. You're pathetic.
Immortality. Immortality is what I seek. The other Claw Gang members were much too short-sighted. They were satisfied using the clockwork parts to drive their various trivial schemes. But not me. No. I saw them for what they really were. The keys to life eternal.
So, what? You had Neela put me on the scent back in Cairo, and then waited while I stole the parts from the other Claw Gang members, all the while not arousing any suspicion that you were behind it all?
You make it sound easy, Cooper. I had to carry your pathetic gang through that first set of heists. I was overjoyed when Arpeggio let me toss you in jail. I could finally go after the parts myself.
Ah, but acquiring all the parts was only half the equation. Think, Cooper, what kept Clockwork alive for thousands of years?
He was fueled by his hatred for my family.
Splendid! That's right. Hatred. Putting his gears and wires together was child's play, compared with accumulating that much hatred.
You can't make people hate.
Oh, my poor naive boy. My ridiculous mind has found a way. As your hippopotamus friend will attest, spice consumption makes you both angry and susceptible to hypnosis. The Contessa, hypnotist extraordinaire, devised a way to command people through the use of flashing lights. I've created this blimp to be a massive transmitter of those precise light frequencies. The only problem I faced was finding a suitable source of light waves.
The Northern Lights. You've been collecting Northern Light energy so you could hypnotize everyone beneath the blimp.
Ah, hypnotize those who've eaten food covered in illegal spice. Thank goodness for Dimitri. Through his nightclub, he got the whole city to consume the spice.
You're going to Paris to unleash
Guys, I'll be soon back.
my
My running out of time.
That's outlandish.